All right, now this is day 3 in the woods. Yesterday, seen one deer. We're gonna give it another shot today. We got a heavy front coming through. It's supposed to pour its ass off tonight. So hopefully it'll get these deer moving. I'm gonna sit in a different stand tonight so I can see the whole field. And because there's just a bunch of little deer coming in, small bucks. I'm gonna go sit in the other stand where I feel that the bigger bucks generally roam. So hey, I got like 6 stands in this woods, so I'll jump around until I find what I'm looking for. It's really warm today. I think it's like 62 degrees. So I'm not used to hunting in this kind of weather in late November. But you do what you got to do. Okay, let me get to my stand. Okay, I made it up in my stand. Didn't get hurt. So far it's a good night. Well, good afternoon anyway. I still have to climb down. So let's see. Hopefully something comes out. Here's my view. I got shots all inside the woods. Out there is probably 35 yards. This is all 20. Then I turn to my left, and then I got an open field. And generally, big bucks come off that hill. They come out of here, or they come from this back corner. Time will tell. Let's see what comes out this stand. All right. The hunt is on. That ends day 3. I had a nice little buck come out. He's actually a 4-pointer. He's got a nice curve to him. A couple of years, he'll be really nice if he survives that long. And then I had a couple does under me. And man, I'll tell you what, they just would not leave. So, I had to stick it out. I didn't want to give up my spot. So, but they finally wandered off. Climbed down out of my stand. So, hey, if I live to see another day, I'll be back out here. Stay with me and see how I make out this season. All right, we got day 4 coming up. The hunt is not over.